Hello, it's Brittany here. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is super exciting. I'm sharing with you the Btartbox X Coat Tips. This is the 3-in-1 soft gel system. So I seen all the girlies online doing their nails with these, and I just had to try them out, baby, because they look just like acrylics. So I ended up picking out the pre-painted nail French design. It's in the color brown. The length is medium. The shape is coffin, and it does come with 15 pieces. You'll also receive a user manual giving you step by step how to apply these nails. It does also come with a UV nail lamp, which is really handy when you're trying to cure your nail tips. And you will also get a nail file as well as some nail glue and top coat. Okay, so that is literally everything that you need to go ahead and get these nails done less than 20 minutes. So I'm just showing y'all right here that I have 150 pieces. Love that for me because the next time I do these nails, I definitely want to add some bling. So let's unbox the UV nail lamp and go ahead and start sizing our nail beds. So one thing I will say, I feel like you definitely will be able to find your perfect sizing. I did not have to shave down any of these to fit my nail bed. They have 15 sizes for you to choose from, and definitely was a perfect fit for me. So I do have to give them their kudos because on the website they do have options for you to choose different colors. So they have natural, they also have pink, and they have this beautiful brown color that I chose because I felt like this would be the most natural looking for myself because that's what I was going for. So I do appreciate the fact that they do have colors for us brown girlies. Wants to show y'all that it's really soft at the top, and then at the tip it is more so strong and durable. So love that. To make sure that these hold really well, I'm going in with the nail prep from Mia Secret, placing that onto all of my natural nail beds, and then I'm going in next with the Mia Secret Extra Bond. Now we are getting to the exciting portion. So in the instructions, it tells you to place some nail glue down onto the nail tip. You want to place that onto your natural nail at a 45-degree angle. Push it down. All of the gel glue that you just placed on there will spread out evenly. You want to hold it down and cure for 15 seconds. I did have some difficulty with this because this is my first time doing gel nails. I didn't know exactly how much glue you need to place down. You basically need to wing it and just kind of eye how much you need to put so you don't have any spillage or overflow and cause air bubbles. I feel like I did pretty good for my first time. It wasn't too bad. I did get a few air bubbles here and there, but you really couldn't tell. Now I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch me complete these steps and see the outcome. that we have completed all of the steps and have the nails on, this is what it's looking like. They look completely natural. Now you want to go in with a nail file and file off that extra plastic that's on the bottom of the tips. And then once you complete that step, you want to go ahead and apply your top coat. Okay, so after I applied the top coat, I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds and then added some cuticle oil, and this is how they turned out. Y'all, these look like acrylic nails. Like, I am completely shocked. This was so easy, less than 20 minutes, super fun, and I will definitely be doing this again. The next time I do them, I definitely want to go ahead and add some nail designs, add a little bit of bling here and there, and girl, this is definitely going to be my go-to nail kit. I do want to go back on the website and buy some more and just try out some more different looks. So the last thing I do want to point out is my natural nails are already French tip looking, so they are coming through these nails just a little bit if you're looking like really closely, but I don't mind it. You know, I don't have an issue with it. They still came out really pretty, and you guys let me know what y'all think.